What's going on, guys? Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to be making an update video, or really just a sound video of the car. For those who are new to the channel, I put an exhaust on this car about a week or two ago, specifically the Skunk2 exhaust. This is what it looks like, you know, just from like standing kind of far away from it. Boom. I'm absolutely in love with the way this thing looks, the way it sounds. It's pretty comparable to the, I believe it's the NVIDIA N1H. I believe the NVIDIA exhaust, you know, right around there, down there. It has that thing where it says NVIDIA on it, and Skunk2 doesn't. What Skunk2 has, though, is this little guy right here that says Skunk2. I'm not sure if you could see that. There we go. Right here it said Skunk2. But overall, just from a look standpoint, I think it looks so much better like this. I was so sick of having the small little tips on it. It just didn't do the car justice. After I got the hard top and I got the side skirts and everything, just had these little mufflers on it, I didn't like it. So from a look standpoint, much better improvement over the old exhaust. But of course, let's get into what you really want to see, or I guess here, is the sound. that is pretty much going to be it for all of the sound goodness for the S2000. Of course, let me know what you think of the exhaust down in the comments down below. You love it, you hate it. A lot of people had said, what is it, the NVIDIAs sound raspy and these sound deeper. I've heard an NVIDIA once. One of my S2000 friends has one, and I think it sounds I don't think it sounds raspy, I think it sounds great. I do think this, however, sounds deeper than his. Now, it's not saying it's raspy. His still sounds great, it has a good pitch to it, but I just think this is a lower tone, and that's something that I'm personally going for. So that 4 bangers can sound like absolute trash if you put a bad exhaust on them, and I know they sound high pitch and just... Well, hopefully I'll be making a top 5 things I love and hate about it, because there are things I love about this thing and there are things that I am not liking about this thing. But overall, leaning a lot more towards being super happy with this purchase. Now, I'm at a point right now where I really like where the car is. I mean, it's got a great exhaust on it, in my opinion. It's got some great tires, side skirts, front splitter, carbon fiber hardtop. I mean, yeah, that's a car that I can just look at, you know? Give me some mod ideas. Give me some mod ideas down below. I need some ideas. I really just need a wash. I guess I could do new brakes, you know, like new rotors, new pads, you know, upgraded rotors, upgraded pads. I could do coils that would lower it some, and then it'd give it a more aggressive look. Then these guys would actually become a lot more functional, because right now we have, let's see if it, yeah, you see it doesn't pass the shoe test. Right now it looks like I'm on lifted suspension. At the same time, I've been wanting to make a video about this. I've had these wheels on my car now for about a year now. They're great, don't get me wrong. Ooh, that sun. They're great, don't get me wrong. But I went with the upgraded tires. When I say upgraded, I mean wider. So the fronts used to be 205s, rears used to be 225s. Now the fronts are 225s and the rears are 255s, which I love. Looks freaking meaty. But I do rub, and I rub specifically on the back left wheel, because I sit on the left and I'm a fat ass. So the rear of the car goes down some more, and then whenever I go over bumps, this thing, I can hear it just eep. And that's the thing, because like, I want to do coils, but if I do coils, you know, how bad then am I gonna start scraping? You know, how bad then am I gonna start rubbing, and am I gonna screw up the car? Yeah, I don't know. Need to roll the fenders? Who knows? Okay, now I'm starting to think of some ideas, you know, for mods. I'm thinking maybe like AP2 headlights. You know, that would, because I don't like the big orange things on the sides. It's just, aside from upgrades, there are some things maintenance-wise I need to do. Right now it kind of sounds like a tractor, and the reason it sounds like that, apparently, looking on forums and asking some other Honda enthusiasts, they told me that means it is time to replace your timing chain tensioner. So we're supposed to do valves and retainers, we're supposed to do a timing chain tensioner, we're supposed to do an EPS sensor, a torque sensor, because my steering sometimes like legit vibrates, and we're supposed to do one more thing. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Okay, well, that's all I have for about my rant for today. It was good. This was a good talk. I really like this. So, not sure what the next video would be. I'm thinking maybe it's probably gonna be like top things I love about the exhaust. If not, I might squeeze in there an upload or two. Ooh, sorry about all the wobble. I might squeeze in there an upload or two, like one of the commercial uploads that I've been doing. Some of the commercial work that I've been doing lately, just to kind of, you know, post and edit, see some pretty cars, supercars on the channel. But S2000 stuff, I'm thinking top 5 things I love about it. I don't know. Again, let me know what you think of the exhaust down in the comments below. Let me get around. Let me know what you think of the exhaust down in the comments down below. Love it, hate it, just anything. I want to hear it. Give me some ideas for next mods, future videos, stuff like that. Guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.